Hey everybody, John the phone guy here, and getting ready to change out a battery on this Sabaqua NOMA III I have. Had this one for a little while. The model number on it is 17619, and this has, let me get here you can see, so this has the Ronda 8040N, Swiss made snapback, retrograde, day of the week, chronograph, secondhand, all that sort of stuff. This does run the 395 battery, so we'll I got to get positioned, so I'm attempting to do this without knocking everything all over the place, but I want to try and get as close as I can so that y'all can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to pop the micro adjuster out, and I always just take my finger, cover it, just so that things don't go flying. And there she is. We'll lay him out of the way. And there's the back. This is the tool I use. I find it works pretty good. It'll do up to sea hunters and more, so I have pretty good luck with this one. Get centered up here. Sorry about that. And the camera shakes just a little bit. I apologize. Wow. Really shakes a lot when you hit the camera mount. Trying to get at this guy. There we go. Easiest way is the best way. So get a good look at this. So it looks like we got a 2-screw system. So we have a screw right here and right here, and I'm gonna venture a guess there's a clip system here, so we'll kind of work this guy off. The one I use is a 3/64, and I've kind of shaved on it a little bit to get it to where it'll fit these little screws. Of course, I say that up there. Sorry. There we go. Put my finger on here so this thing doesn't go flying into outer space. There's that guy. Oop, sorry about that. I'm gonna have to work on camera mount for these. Apparently, what I'm trying to do does not exactly get the best result, so I apologize for the shakiness, but I wanted to try and get in close so that you could see what I'm seeing. So let's lay that guy there. Pick him up. Alright, 9 times out of 10 I use the Ronda batteries, but I actually had a couple Sonys left over, so I'm going to use a Sony on this one. see if we can't get this guy back together, get him working here. In a reasonable amount of time. Alright, I think that guy's in there. Let's get the other one in for next before we tighten everything up. Make sure we got everybody aligned. Okay. Down there. As you can see, this takes a pretty steady hand, and I'm not very steady at the moment. Alright everybody, I'm gonna have to edit this, but I need to go get stronger glasses to see what I'm doing. Alright everybody, I'm back. I got me a better pair of glasses so I can see what I'm doing here. Alright, let's see what we got here. Alright, we got our constant seconds running down here at the 6 o'clock. Whew, that took a minute. So, note to myself, do not try and do this with just mere reading glasses, because you will have a miserable time of it. Now we'll put this guy back together. Gasket down in there. Sorry, that was out of your view. So I just put the gasket back in there. And we're going to put this guy back together. Always do this with your fingers so that you know that you're not cross-threading anything. That would be very detrimental. One, you probably never get this sucker back off again. Two, you're going to ruin your water resistancy because you're not going to have a good clean seal. So there we go, good and snug. All right, put our micro adjuster back in. Not exactly where I want it, but that's all right. Now that we got it in. Move this guy back. And move that guy right there. All right. So there we have it. Battery changed. Woo. All right. That was a little bit of work, and I will fix all of the day dates and all that later. But so that is a Ronda 8040N with the 395 battery. So a little scuffed up there. Oh, that's right. There we go. Sabaqua NOMA III. Loved it. I love the 8040N. It's an awesome watch. And until next time, I will see everybody later. Enjoy your collection. Take care.